China has initiated the formation of a planetary defense team. This decision follows the discovery of a large asteroid named 2024 YR4. The asteroid has a 2.2% chance of colliding with Earth in 2032. The European Space Agency updated this probability, placing it at the top of their risk list. The asteroid measures between 40 to 90 meters wide. It was first detected by the University of Hawaii's Institute of Astronomy in December 2024. The discovery triggered a global response due to its potential threat. Following this, China's State Administration of Science, Technology, and Industry for National Defense announced recruitment for 3 roles focused on planetary defense. This center is responsible for aerospace engineering and Earth observation. The roles aim to study asteroid monitoring and develop early warning systems. Various strategies exist to prevent an asteroid impact. The United States successfully tested a planetary defense method in 2022. NASA altered an asteroid's trajectory by colliding with it. In September 2024, China revealed plans for its first mission to defend against a near-Earth asteroid. This mission aims to observe an asteroid and then strike it with a spacecraft targeting around 2030. China is also a member of the International Asteroid Warning Network. This network coordinates information sharing about near-Earth objects. The asteroid 2024 YR4, if it were to hit Earth, could cause localized damage. While the asteroid might likely fall into the ocean, a land impact could devastate a medium-sized city. A historical event in 2013 illustrates the potential risk. An asteroid about 20 meters wide exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia, causing extensive damage and injuries. NASA and the European Space Agency released estimates indicating the likelihood of an impact is above 1%. This threshold triggered a response from international monitoring bodies. The ESA's latest estimate places the impact probability at 1.2%. These odds could change as observations continue and more data becomes available. Despite public concern, scientists maintain a calm perspective. Lee stated that the asteroid is not viewed as a serious threat at this time. The asteroid recently passed close to Earth and will become less visible in the coming months. Astronomers plan to use powerful telescopes to gather data while it remains observable. The asteroid will return for observation in 2028. By then, scientists hope to have a clearer understanding of its trajectory. Lee mentioned that the United Nations would organize discussions regarding a defense plan if needed. On Christmas Day, 2024, a different asteroid passed Earth closely, heightening awareness of potential threats. The asteroid 2024 YR4 was identified shortly after. Its trajectory has raised alarms and prompted scientific scrutiny. Current estimates indicate a 1.6% chance of collision with Earth on December 22, 2032. While the odds are low, they are enough to warrant preparation. If 2024 YR4 were to impact, it would not cause global devastation. However, the consequences could be severe on a local scale. Scientists classify this asteroid as a city killer. Its impact could release energy equivalent to 8 megatons of TNT. Historical comparisons highlight the potential danger. The Tunguska event in 1908 caused massive destruction over Siberia. If a similar event occurred, it could devastate a major city. The projected impact zone for 2024 YR4 includes densely populated areas across several continents. China's proactive measures reflect a growing global awareness of asteroid threats. The recruitment of experts in asteroid monitoring signifies a commitment to planetary defense. The international community must remain vigilant and prepared for potential asteroid impacts. Continuous observation and collaboration will be essential in mitigating risks in the future.